Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Aremu Afolayan. Of course you know, because I have the same people on my Instagram. Anyways, I want to talk about this Lekki toll gate issue. See, basically, I'm not here to... It's not solving anything. And to need for anybody to ever criticize you in Shana Tawai, Lori particular video, because the same koto coin, the English, Omo Yoruba ni mi, into bade wumi ma fi Yoruba so. Adra no wa ni ki Omo Igbo ko gbo mi, abi ki Hausa ko gbo mi. Ta Omo Igbo ba de gbo mi, emi go gbo ede won. So now, me feel ni pe youth are the real problems of Nigeria. In case you don't know, it's not the government anymore. I've come to realize that. It's the youth, nothing but the youth. Let me tell you, we are not strong enough. Mr. Macaroni was arrested, and so many Nigerians. This is not about Mr. Macaroni. This is about the Nigerians that has always been arrested for such things, and we don't fight for them. But now, because we saw Mr. Macaroni, because one big Mr. Macaroni, so all of us are now shouting, hey, Debo. What about other people that have been fighting? Now, let's talk about everybody in general. I think it's so dehumanizing for you to arrest Nigerians that are protesting without guns, without cutlass, without fighting you police, without shooting you police. You arrest them. Now it's not bad enough. You now put them, you treat them like criminals. You put them in a bus, stuck off, and you said you are trying to make people stay off corona. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're the police and the government, you're all idiots. I swear to God. Sincerely, all you need to do is just to talk to these people. In fact, you lead them and protect them against the hoodlums that might destroy the peaceful protest. But instead, you're not doing that. Liberty Mr. Macaroni in a video. I saw the thing, I saw the video. He keeps saying, some people keep saying, where is the location? Where is Kineko? He's at the Lekki toll gate. All you need to do as a youth is for all of us to take ourselves and go there. If, in case, you know, we are all idiots, we don't know anything. So, in case you don't know anything, about how would I put it? In case you don't know the power, the real power of crowd, only BT crowd to my day. See any talk be bondani ma toju boy. Ìjọ tí crowd yẹn bá bọ́ta ní Nàìjíríà, ìjọ yẹn ní Nàìjíríà máa tó dá. State government káti ẹ̀ believe pé àwọn yẹn ti ya wèrè. Wọ́n order pé kó lọ arrest citizens, youth, àtàgbàlagbà tó fẹ́ protest. And all of you fold your arms. Ṣé mo bí Lekki toll gate bó ṣe yẹ kí Lekki toll gate kún lẹ́nì? Kí ni? Tí ẹ̀yin bá fẹ́ ṣe third mainland bridge, ẹ mọ̀ bó ṣe block the bridge for our inconvenience. Tí àwa bá fẹ́ protest, ẹ mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbé ọlọ́pàá jáde pé a máa destroy whatever of the day. You're all idiots. All of you, the government, the godfathers of the government, all of you, me inclusive, we are all idiots. Because we cannot fight. We don't have to fight. We don't have to get to that third option. That third option with the gun, with the cutlass, olórí burúkú àwọn area boys, táwa tún gbójúlé, tàjọ jẹ́ tálíkà, àwọn yẹn ló tún máa sanwó fún, wọ́n tún kó bọ̀ wọ́n bá wa yìnbọn fún wa. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà dá. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà dá. America tún threaten yín pé àwọn máa gba visa kúrò lọ́wọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Tó bá legalize the same sex act. Ayanyinja. Lisa. Bloody hell, my fucking ass. A passport, American passport, my bloody ass. It be by none. I could need láti tún ṣe ni. Ẹ̀yin youth, ẹ fẹ́ gba ìjọba lọ́wọ́ old politician, because we have been ruled by the same set of people, same old people with their old ways. Who tells you that someone who doesn't pass through university and secondary school cannot rule a country? Who told you that? All you know is your school. All you want to rule a country with is school, book. Brilliant. Is that brilliant? No. Street is brilliant. I didn't go to school. I didn't go to any form of school. I can rule this nation. I can rule it even better. I can rule it like a 2-year-old child, and I'll make the country better. But you, a state government, a state governor, commands, or you will say forces bigger than you. You command the police to dehumanize your own citizen. Let me tell you what I would do, Sanwo-Olu. If I was summoned by the president, that, hey, I need you to put all the military and the Kinecon to the toll gate, I will now tell you that. I am not going to do that, because these are my citizens. You face your citizen, and if I ever see your federal or in my state, then this state will not contain us, because I will not allow them to come into my state and scatter everything for me. And that is what you're supposed to do as a state government. As a state governor or a fucking mayor that you are, you let the police to lay their hands on people that are just passing by. Then why didn't you arrest the media? The people with the camera. I thought they are the toll gate too. I thought they are filming your boys the way they are arresting those people. I thought your shame should not go on national TV. You call yourself a bloody mayor? You're not a fucking mayor. You're not for me. All I know is I'm just a Nigerian. I'm born in Lagos, so I am a Lagosian. And right in front of my eye, I'm a fucking youth that will not allow my state to go down the drain. Youth, if you want to save yourself from this tyrant, you go out and protest. All we need is just an account for the lost people, the people that are grieving, families that are grieving. Let me tell you why they arrested Debo, alias Mr. Macaroni, and they dehumanized him for everything. Do you know why? Because for me, for no. Do you know why they did this? Can you see? I will tell you the reason why. Because they need to suppress your power. They don't want you to come out tomorrow. They know that if they do this to a celebrity, that the celebrity and other celebrity and other Nigerian Lagosians that think they have mouths, that they cannot talk, they think they can talk. So if they show you, look at what Macaroni is doing. His head is being down, and this fucking government said they are protecting people from the virus, and you pack people like this. Did you go to school at all? Is it the school that you went to that is going to kill you with right now? Even the school you went to, I don't think you went to school. Because even me that didn't go to school will understand that I can't even pack these people like this. And UN will bloody give a fucking 30 days. A fucking 30 days before they intervene in this kind of issue. 30 days. You want 30 days to come and they start killing people, really? And you call yourself a fucking UN? You bloody tout, all of you. You know yourself, all of you. But well, you know, usually the only thing we do is just to shout. We shout on social media. And I know you people, you know the reason why you didn't legalize gun for Nigerians. You know we won't be talking like this now. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you want Nigeria to be better, go out and protest if you want it, and stay in your bloody home if you don't want it. and stop talking. Stop talking. That's all I will say. Thank you.